Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all must be having a good time. The weather has been little upside down and snow, winter, little bit of summer. Sunlight comes, it's good. Otherwise, it's so hard to be in the house, so it's so cold, but we can always keep warm by always having something good at home and taking care of our health. Like yesterday, I had really fallen too sick and I didn't know whether what to do. I had a running nose, but then I just took some home remedies and I feel much better now. So thank you for all of y'all who prayed for me on TikTok and gave me good vibes. Thank you all for that. And friends, today I'll be sharing a very nice vegetable which is from the Indian stores and it is called guar. And it's just the long green beans which we get. So this is the recipe. Let's come into my kitchen. These are the guar beans. They are called guar beans and these are from the Indian stores. They come in the cut package. We'll try to make these now. So here I have taken my pressure cooker and over here I'm putting some oil, like 4 or 5 spoons of oil. I'm doing eyeballing over here. That's more than enough. I'll be adding some mustard seeds now. Here I'm adding some mustard seeds. The oil was quite hot and it is nicely getting dusted out here. I'm putting some cumin seeds too. They are cracking very well. I can hear the good sound. Now I'm going to add some red onions and 3 or 4 pods of garlic. I'll saute them for 2 or 3 minutes now. So the onions have been sauteed well. Now I'll add some tomatoes. Sorry, it's becoming foggy also on my lens. Here I've added some tomatoes. Now I'll add some turmeric. Adding some turmeric. Little salt according to your taste. And little chili powder according to your taste again. I've taken 1 potato and I'll be chopping up this potato. It's a 1 big medium sized potato. So here I've chopped the potatoes. I'm adding this to the mixture over here. Now we'll be adding some guar bean which I used. It is 340 grams and it says 12 ounce. And this I can only buy it from the Indian stores. You don't get anywhere else because I get so many questions, where do you buy? So this I bought it in Spices and Beyond for the people of Parker who wants to know. So this is from Swati store. They look like this and they are cut little long and they'll just get soft, and I'm not adding any water. I'll just keep it as it is. Here I have blended everything well and the mixture looks evenly coated. So now I'll be closing the lid and giving a pressure cook for 15 minutes. So this is how the vegetable looks and it looks so yummy. Yum yum yum. I made hot rice and rice recipe I've already shared. So here's my plate today. This looks it for lunch today. This is rice, lentils and the vegetable which I cooked. Enjoy. I'm boiling the water for drinking actually. So I always drink warm water. So I always keep warm water for drinking and see what it is. It always does this, and I feel there's a kind of devil in this house kind of thing, devil in this range. It always keeps shaking and making us scared. So it is so scary that the vessel always topples like this. So friends, how easy it was to do, and healthy vegetable, something nice to eat. And you can have this with breads, buns, rolls, make a burrito and just eat it with that also. And I showed you one clip where I was boiling the water for some rice, and this is how it gobbles. There's nothing like the devil kind, but it just shakes, and I just made a joke about it to my kiddos. So it's nothing of that sort. So that's how the vessel bakes when I boil water, because I just had a crack in my boiler which I had it, so I do it in this way, so it's good. So I hope you all enjoyed this vegetable which I cooked today for you all, and it was so yummy, everybody just loved it. So okay friends, signing off right now, and take care till the next video comes, and have a great time. If you have not liked my video yet, please like it and share it and subscribe. Bye.